amazing people, let's get the international greeting out of the way so you can all feel welcomed, and then we'll get on with the video. Hola, aloha, ciao, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, nagamasma, zdravствуйте, привет, bună, dzień dobry, sziasztok, hallo. Xin ciao, yabosio, teresa, alaikum, saskaka, marhaban, merhaba, habiri, and shalom. Je m'appelle Brunel. My name is Brunel. Me chiamo Brunel. Mi chiamo Brunel. Welcome, 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 all of you people across the world. So, Kiko got two new collection in the last week or so. I don't know what's going on, but I am doing, obviously, per the title, the party all night review of some of the items. I've got 5 items here. There were a lot more items in this collection, ranging from skincare to makeup. The whole point of this makeup is to make the makeup last all night long. From when you take a panel, you take your first selfie, it looks all set up, all perfect, until the end of the night, you know, gone past midnight Cinderella, and you see your makeup and it hasn't melted away, it hasn't gone. So you've got a range of face masks that you use to treat your skin beforehand, so your skin can feel all treated and loved. And then you've also got primers. Some of them are to mattify, which is what I've got because I've got super oily skin. And then you've also got others, you know, kind of to make your skin glow. You have got party all night eye masks, which are £2.99. You've got define and fix brows, so brow pencils, didn't get that. You've also got lasting eyeshadow, I've got one of those. And also the primer, I've got a mattifying primer. What else? Lasting eyeshadow, I've got that already. Partial on lasting eyeliner, I didn't get that, I believe. We'll find out in a minute. And also shading brush, and you've got mascara. I did get a mascara. So you've got a range of products, from face masks to eye masks, you know, to look after your skin. And the makeup, as I said, meant to last between 16 to 24 hours, where you're not going to get 16 hours today, unfortunately. So that's that. Now, first item I've got to show you is this one. Can I just quickly say, before I start complaining, Kiko, when it comes to complexion stuff, most of the time it is a miss. Sometimes it is a hit, but most of the time it is a miss. And with this kind of foundation and concealer stick, it is a miss. Let me just say that. And the reason why is they've got a long way to go when it comes to complexion products, and you need to do better, Kiko, way better. And I've got the primer here, and this one, first of all, is a party all night selfie primer, which is meant to mattify the skin, also reduce the size of your pores, smooth everything, to give you a nice canvas for your makeup to be placed on. So that's that one. Now the actual foundation, it comes in a foundation stick like so. This is the design, and opening it, I've got it in number 8, which is the darkest shade. So don't start moaning, complaining about it being not right shade for me, because this is it. This is as dark as it gets. Okay, I couldn't get it any darker than this, so that's the way it goes. And for me, this being the darkest shade, leaves a lot to be desired. Maybe if I'd given another 2 shades after this one, I would have given them a little bit leeway, because you know, the range is not massive. But this as a darkest shade, hell no. So primer that all there, and then next item here that I've got to show you, because I've forgotten what I bought, is the mascara. And the mascara is, just show you the brush. That's the mascara and the brush itself. So that's that. And what else? 2 more items quickly. And this one is the lip color. So I've got the lipstick. I've got it in like a gloss format. Nice and neutral. And final item that I've got here, which I believe is the eyeshadow, basically in the pencil format, is this one here. So these are the items we are going to test. Now, we're going to get started with foundation, which is, I'm dreading. Actually, before the foundation, let's get on with the primer first and apply it quickly. And normally I don't like the mattifying primers which are in a gel format because I find that they don't really last long, to be honest. They do a lot for my pores, but longevity wise I don't think it works. So but you know what, it is what it is. There's a smell to it as well. It glides on, feels very much like silicone, but I can see it smoothing things down. Right, primer is in place. The Selfie primer, by the way, is £9.99. Yeah, it's drying now. It takes about a couple of minutes or so for it to start drying and not be feel so tacky. With regards to pores, I think it actually does make a difference. It makes them not so prominent, which is a good thing. I'm just very skeptical about how mattifying it is, but it's meant to be to mattify the skin. Right, now we're going to move on to the foundation, which is a 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in one. You only get 8 different shades. This one, number 8, is the darkest, as I said earlier, and it is cocoa, obviously cocoa, whichever way you want to pronounce it. What else does it say? The advantage of this, apparently, the Party All Night and foundation and concealer is meant to be long-lasting, giving the face an even complexion and camouflage blemishes in a single step. Its creamy formula leaves the complexion perfected for up to 16 hours. It has a soft and velvety satin finish texture. It blends beautifully into the skin, leaving it smooth without weighing it down. It has a medium high coverage and buildable result. Its practical stick format makes it easy to apply and perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. I don't know about that. Its various shades adapt to every type of complexion. Every type of complexion. Okay, right, maybe that's what they didn't need to create too many then. So we're going to try this one out and let's see if this really adapts to my complexion. Yeah. Ooh. Now it does say that if you want to shear it out, then you use a sponge. But if you want more coverage, then yeah, you use a brush. And as you guys know, I'm not a lover of brushes. I prefer using a sponge, but we want full coverage, so I'm going to try it and see if this adapts. I mean, you look at the shade and it's like let me see, is there a smell? There is a smell to this. It is, yeah, it smells very much like the primer as well. It's scented. I don't know if that's a scent that they've deliberately put through the whole collection or what, but we'll find that out. Okay. Alright, as coverage goes, that's not bad. I mean, I'm finding it's more light coverage, but it does say it's buildable. Shade wise, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be too light. I mean, it's not golden as such, but as you guys know, if you've watched my channel, I've had worse, way worse. I'm back in with a second layer to see what happened. Next item is the Party All Night Lasting eyeshadow pencil. Well, actually it's an eyeshadow and it comes in a format like this. If I can get it my and I've got it in shade number 3, and just twist and to show you. And on my eyes, I've already done my eyes. I'm keeping it really simple as usual. And this is the Makeup Addiction Flaming Love eyeshadow palette. I've used basically this shade here on top all over, and then I use this shade here on the outer corners of my eyes. And I'm just going to apply this pencil to see. Oh gosh. and just glide it on and see what happens. Ooh. Ooh. I like. This is simple, quick, and so pigmented. I like this very much. So I'm going back in with the brown on the outer corner. Now, I've not blended the top end just because I want to create the illusion of a cat crease almost. Nearly there, people. Just a quick rundown on what I've got on my face so far. I finished it off with MAC Skin Mineralized Finish in Deep Dark. And then I used the Morphe's Bronzer in Showman's. I used this section here as a bronzer to kind of contour a little bit. And then this section here as a highlighter. I did not use concealer because the foundation says it is a foundation and concealer all in one. I'll give you my thoughts about that at the end of this video. And then on my lips, I've overlined them and used most of it on my lips. And that is the Kiko pencil in number 531, which is like a chocolate brown shade. And yeah, so let's move on to the eyes. What we're going to apply the mascara. Oh, the blush that I've used is one I bought from a beauty supply store. Really super cheap. I think the brand is called Doris and it's in the color terracotta. I've really run out, but it's super cheap. I've tried to look for it everywhere and it is a beauty of a blush. But it cost me something like £2 or £3.99. Lasts for a long time, about a year. But it is beautiful. But very hard to find. So if you go into one of those hair shops, do look out for those. They are really, really well made. Forget the rest of the stuff. Right, so let's try out the mascara and see whether it works really well or not. We'll see how effective this one is. I'll try and come a bit closer so you can see, hopefully. Let's see. Okay, I'm not looking at anything impressive with this mascara. It does really separate. I'll give it that, but there's no volume. It just separates as far as I'm concerned, so it doesn't really do anything else. Yeah. Now for the lips, this is the metallic lip paint in shade number 1. And we'll see. Okay, that's not bad, not bad. I actually think I like it. All right, my people, this is it. My face is all done. Okay, let's go through the items and I'll give you my opinion about them. Starting off, first of all, with the primer. Now, this primer, it is a mattifying primer. It did not feel like a silicone. Initially, it did, it felt like it, but once you applied it on your skin and once it dried, it didn't have that really heavy, cloggy kind of silicone feel to it. I'm not too sure when it comes to how matte it would keep me. I don't think this is enough, but I could be wrong. During editing, I will let you guys know how the foundation worked out and the primer as well. This will probably be a good 6 hours afterwards, so I have a better idea, even though I'm not going to do a check-in. I'm not, but I'll let you guys know during editing how it performed. But I would definitely be using this one still because it did actually help with my pores. I will still use a super mattifying primer underneath, and then I will use this one on top in particular areas around where my pores are very prominent, and to help with that because it did make a difference with the look of the pores. I'm not too keen on the smell on the items, but it's not too overpowering. It does go and settle down after a little while. What else? Well, after the primer, foundation. All right. Foundation has got its issues. I think the shade range, as I pointed out earlier, needs to be improved drastically. However, it did actually not, you know, it wasn't too bad when it came to matching my face. I've had a lot worse, so I was really, really surprised about that and impressed and pleased, thank God for that, because I definitely will be using this foundation. I would only be really using this for specific reasons. For me personally, this idea that this is going to be something that's medium to full coverage is a no. This is a light to medium coverage, and medium only if you do more than one layer. If you've got lots of imperfections in your skin that you want to cover up, this ain't going to do it for you. If you think that you're going to use this under your under eyes, if you've got dark marks and it's going to cover it, this ain't going to do it for you. You are going to need to use that bat. For today's one, I'm in a rush when I've got 15 minutes to get ready, but I still want to make a bit of an effort without looking as if I've made an effort. This thing here, I would be using it because it is so quick, it blends really easily. It is so lightweight, absolutely lightweight. It is the lightest foundation I have ever worn, so I will give it that. But I would use it for those particular occasions when I want to be something that's quick and not too full on. And easy. So I would definitely go for this. The thing that I would say, absolute hell no, don't waste your money. What the hell is this? Why? Who tested this kind of thing? Is this mascara is an absolute useless. I mean, it really sort of separated lashes, but it looks as if you really didn't apply anything. For me, this is a no. I've had better mascaras from Kiko. This one, they're saying it. This is a kind of offer it for me for free. I will say no. Okay, no. So that's a no for this one. Now, with regards to the eyeshadow stick. Oh yes. It is pigmented. It is soft. It is creamy. It is easy. It is fast. If you want to do a statement makeup look or eye look and you want to kind of be really quick about it, these are fantastic, absolutely fantastic. I've got some other Kiko eye pencils which are the jumbo type one. They've stopped doing them. I've forgotten the name of them, and I absolutely love them because they're so pigmented and so easy. These follow the same formula. If you are a Kiko, they've got loads of different shades. I would recommend these pencils. I've never actually used this particular one, but I will recommend these ones hands down. I mean, look at that. It's so easy to create a makeup look. Hands down, absolutely, I would go for it. The actual metallic lip color, yes, I would actually recommend this because as metallic lip colors go, this one is not over the top. You can wear this during the day and look comfortable. It's not over the top. It doesn't emphasize all the lines and cracks of your lips. You can get away with using that. The shine is not over the top at all. It's quite subtle as well. In fact, right now I've actually got lip gloss from Kiko as well on top of this. That's why you can see a bit more shine. So if you are new to metallic lip colors and you want something that you can wear during the day and you want to try it out, I would recommend this one, absolutely. So apart from one particular item where I just think get away. The rest are kind of okay. I'll give it. Real. That's enough silliness. Okay, so this is it, people. I'm going. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you. I was just gonna say I hope you appreciate it. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video, and stay safe and happy. And you guys will see me soon. Bye.